We got to figure out which one's which. There should be markings indicating bedrooms, bath, sprinkler pump, generator light, main pool, smoke detectors. So let's check this panel here. Okay, I already see one breaker tripped here. It's 30, which is the AC compressor number 1. Here it is, number 1 and number 2. Okay, then we got handler 1 and 2. So there's the, hopefully the main reason. So we just reset the breaker now. We're gonna walk back outside and the compressor should be up and running. So let's go take another look. It's a cat and mouse game.
And eliminating possibilities and narrowing down the...
Correct, we're in the troubleshooting phase. So we're gonna make our way back out here